Service in Miami has issued a
Really, Miami?
coastal waters from Chocoloskee to Bonita Beach, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from EAS to Chocoloskee, Florida, out 20 nautical miles until 10:30 a.m. At 10 a.m., a strong thunderstorm was located near Chocoloskee, moving northeast at 10 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Chocoloskee. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service. You can also share your report with National Weather Service Miami on Facebook and Twitter.
At 10 in the morning.
The Naples climate.
At 10 in the morning. Golly.